Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Incredible Peel by Bliss. It has 10% glycolic acid and it is a resurfacing peel, which means it basically brightens your skin. So I'm new to, this chemical peel thing, and I did some research, and that's when I came across this product. So what I liked about it is that it has glycolic acid, and the concentration is just 10%. And as it says here on the box, it's clean, no animal testing, friendly, and vegan. So I thought of trying this. So this is how one pouch looks like. And they were, I think, yeah, 15 peels were there. So I used to use them at night. So initially, I used them once a week for 2 weeks because I did not know how my skin would react to it. So I used it in the night. I washed my face, cleaned it with the peel, basically applied it on my face, and then applied some moisturizer afterwards. So when I saw that my skin is fine, it's not reacting negatively to the peel, and the skin looks slightly better, that's when I started using it twice a week. And I had no reaction, no irritation, no rashes, nothing. It's a very gentle peel, and I think it is ideal for beginners, particularly for those who are scared of the word chemical peel and want to start with something gentle. I do not remember exactly, but I think I paid somewhere around $38 for it. But when I searched for it online for the second time, I realized that it's also available for a much cheaper price. So I think the price varies depending upon whether you order online or whether you're buying from the store and which store it is. So anyhow, if you want to get into peels and start with something light, I think this one is really good. And when you use the peel at night, make sure to put on some sunscreen the next day and avoid exposure to the sun. Although I have been in the sun and it didn't cause me any discomfort, but on the packaging it says that if you have to go out, it's better to avoid the sun, because it has worked on your skin. So exposure to sun is not good. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back soon with another short video. Thank you.